Hit the sunshine. Oh my goodness. I hope you're having a beautiful day. I hope you are doing well. I hope you are taking care of yourself. And I hope you're happy to be here because I have 3 Ipsy unboxings to do with you guys today. So, like last month, a little while ago, Ipsy was like, hey, guess what? We have another subscription that we're adding to our services. So now your girl is signed up to 3 different Ipsy subscriptions. I'm so excited. I freaking love Ipsy. Like, Ipsy, for a while, we weren't biffles, but Ipsy has stepped the heck out of their game. They are doing so amazing right now. So here in my hands, I have Ipsy Glam Bag. This is $12 a month. And then I have Ipsy Plus, which is like $22, $25 a month. Can't remember. My memory sucks. And then we have Ipsy Ultimate, this massive box, which is $50 a month. So I am so excited. Last month was freaking amazing. I can't wait to see what's in here. Let's get started. I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to start with the Ipsy Ultimate because it's the biggest box. It means the best surprises are hiding in there, right? Like, that's my logic. Okay, so inside of this box, I'm going to have all the boxes fall off my table accidentally. Inside of this box, it says, discover yourself. And then we have some orange foam, and I'm so excited. So the first thing I'm pulling out is this super duper cute makeup bag. It's so big. Okay, that's what she said. Just kidding. Sorry, this is a PG channel, right? I don't know. So this is a super cute makeup bag. It's got little like pastel pink cheetah print. Honestly, cheetah print was made for fall. Like, the cheetah print is just, that's just fall. That's where cheetah print thrives. I love cheetah print in fall. Okay, so actually now here's what the inside of the box looks like. Look at all the goodies in there. Holy crapola. It's literally like when I get this box, this is only the second box that I've gotten, but it's like Christmas. It is so amazing. I get so much stuff in here. It's, in my mind, like last month's box was definitely worth the $50. And just by looking in here, I see IT Cosmetics, I see Benefit, I see Violet Voss. It's freaking worth it. Okay, so the next thing that I'm pulling out is this Violet Voss palette. Fruit sorbet. Look at this. Oh, it's so beautiful. I can't wait to like struggle to open these packages, but my mom taught me a trick. She taught me, I swear, she taught me a trick. There's a sticker, but she taught me to put the scissors under here, so don't try this at home in case you like die. But that didn't work for me this episode. This time around, I still have to tear through the packaging. Oh my gosh, look how beautiful the packaging is. I love this tie-dye moment. It is so beautiful. Okay, let's open this. Ooh, let's open this beauty up. Look. Oh my gosh. Yes, I love bright colors. Like, as you can probably tell, I think this is so freaking cute. I like Violet Voss. It's been a while since I've gotten a palette from Violet Voss, I think. But I'm excited to dip in that, and I'm just so excited. I'm actually going to start making makeup tutorials with the stuff that I get in my Ipsy and Boxycharm boxes. Okay, the next thing that I'm pulling out is from IT Cosmetics. This is Confidence in a Cleanser. Skin Transforming Hydrating Cleansing Serum. Oh, I have loved the face washes that I've gotten my Ipsy Plus, and I really like that I've gotten one every month. So like by the time that I finish up the bottle that they sent me, I get another one in another box, and I really feel like it complements my skin. Like when I filled out my profile, I feel like they've actually sent me samples that match with my skin. This one's anti-aging, which I don't feel like is a total hit, but I mean, anti-aging is always like a great thing. Like, it's not just for one skin type. Like, everybody needs some anti-aging into their life. The next thing that I'm pulling out is this Superfood Air Whip Moisture Cream. Okay, let's open this bad boy up. I love the simplistic packaging. I think that's really, really cute. Ooh, it's so tiny, but I know that it's a full-size product, so, but that's really cute. Let's see if it smells like, because it says superfood and then it says kale and spinach. Good news, it doesn't smell like kale or spinach. It actually doesn't really have much of a scent at all. Like, I didn't smell anything. Okay, let's see what this is. I got this Gigi Gorgeous, the only blush duo. Okay, let's go ahead. Let's try this. Oh, it worked the time. Yes, okay. So, blush. I love blush, don't get me wrong, but I want some companies to start sending out some highlighters. Send me a highlighter palette. Send me a highlighter. Like, I miss those in my life. Okay, let's see what this looks like. Here's what the packaging looks like, because I totally forgot to show you. And then opened up. Ooh, beautiful. Yes. Okay, I really love this color. Definitely. And one thing that I really like about blush, and I don't feel like a lot of companies ever say, like, hey, you can use this on your eyes. But if you don't like the color of the blush you got, you can use it as a transition shade. Or shoot, put it on your lid and smoke it out. And you got a whole eye look right there. Okay. Oh, I got a brush. Oh, I have a brush. Oh, yeah. Okay, so this is from, I have no idea because it's really hard to read, but it's a concealer brush. I am always running out of concealer brushes. Like, I just leave my makeup brushes. I'm like, oh, like, I keep using them and putting them back dirty. So then I run out of brushes and I'm like, always looking for a clean concealer brush, and I just never have them because I always use them up and I don't clean my brushes often as I should. I have this thing here in bubble wrap. What is this? Ooh, it says Smith and Colt. Is it a perfume? That's what it looks like. Bite Your Kiss. I'm trying to spray it. There's no sprayer. Oh, I think it might be a nail polish. Oh, it's a really pretty purple. Oh, you guys probably can't see that. Oh, but it's a really like pretty purple. I don't know like why doing that would help, but I hope that you guys can see. It's like in the bottle, it looks really, really dark, but like in the lighting, it looks like a light purple. Okay. We have a couple more things to get through. So the next thing that I'm pulling out, ooh, $1 Billion Brows Eyebrow Kit. We have a pencil, a spoolie, a conceal and highlighter pencil, brow gel, and this is a smudge brush. Yes, okay. Yes, let's see. This is such a big box. Why do we need such a big box for these small 4 items? So that's really cool. Okay. In my opinion, this is like a 4-in-1. So I feel like, because like they could have just easily sent this and be like, oh yeah, that's the product you're getting this month, and like send all of these as an individual and be like, okay, well you got 9 pieces, or I don't know how many are actually supposed to be in this box, and like that be that. But that's really, really cool that they sent like a whole little kit out. Okay, this box is freaking killing it. Okay, next I have Context Matte Lipstick. Oh, I hope it's like a pretty vampy shade. So we just have some plain packaging right here. Plain black packaging. Boom. Oh, it looks like a pretty like, oh, I don't want to swatch because I still have so many boxes to get through. That looks like a pretty like an orange. It's definitely not the vampy shade that I was expecting, but I appreciate the originality because I feel like since it's like November, a lot of companies are gonna be like, oh yes, everybody wants vampy lips, and that looks definitely like a neutral kind of shade that you can wear like all day, anywhere if you wanted to. Okay, the next thing that I'm pulling out is a Kismet Buff Sugar Lip Scrub. And the scent name is Bright and Bubbly. I love the color. That is absolutely gorgeous. It smells nice. It smells like bright and bubbly. It kind of smells a little bit like fruity, almost is what I'm getting. Okay, we have 3 more products in here. I'm trying to get through this box really fast because I know these unboxings take so long, and I know you guys are so busy. It's the holiday season. Who isn't busy? So I'm sorry if I seemed a little rushed. I'm just like, ow, we still have 2 more boxes to get through. So here I have Benefit High Beam. Fun story. This was the first ever makeup product that I wanted to buy from Sephora. So I got a Sephora gift card from my eye doctor for graduating high school. It was so cool. They like sent me a $10 Sephora gift card. I was like, oh my God. And I was just getting into makeup and I wanted to buy the Benefit High Beam highlighter. And I never did. Like, this is actually the first time that I've ever held this product. I actually don't remember what I bought with that gift card, but I'm so excited to try this out. Oh, I shouldn't swatch it. I have so many makeup tutorial ideas with this box because it's so great. I've gotten a huge freaking variety of stuff. I'm so freaking excited. Okay. And here I have this Trestique Face Color and Contour Cheek Stick. Oh, heck yes. Oh, I'm so excited. Oh my gosh. Okay, Trestique was in another box for me like recently. And it was a little highlighter and I freaking love that highlighter so much. This is beautiful and I really can't wait to like try that and see if it works out. If you don't see the tutorial on my YouTube channel, please feel free to check out my Instagram because that's where I'll be posting a lot of these tutorials. I'm really trying to revamp how I'm doing my YouTube content. I'm going to be posting a lot more business stuff because that's what a lot of people seem like they're interested in. So if you're looking for more beauty and my fashion side, I'll be posting more of that on Instagram. And the last thing that I received is this Juice Beauty Semi-Cellular Anti-Wrinkle Booster Serum. So we got 2 anti-aging in here. And not to mention, everything in this box is full size. Like the regular Ipsy is just sample sizes, but this whole box is full size. And that's just so amazing. Okay. Give me a hot second to put everything back, and then I'm going to open up the Ipsy Glam Bag Plus. Okay, so now I'm going to get into my Ipsy Glam Bag Plus. This one is like, I can't remember. My memory is so terrible. But this one's between $20 and $25 a month. And I'm really hoping that Ipsy does as amazing of a job as they did last month, and that they don't send me any repeats. I totally appreciate a shared theme, just in case you can't, like, you aren't as blessed as I am and can't afford all 3 boxes. So I hope that everybody gets a taste of the same things, but I really hope that there's not a lot of repeats. So let's go ahead and see what's in here. So I do see a makeup bag. I don't think that this is going to be that full makeup bag that I have, but no, it's not, but it's the same exact pattern. This is so cute. So this is a pretty big pouch. Like, this is so cute. Honestly, this is a clutch. Oh yes, that's what I love using my Ipsy bags for, when they're super cute. A clutch. This is, and like with this little tassel right here, I feel like put together. It makes me feel cute. Okay, so okay, this box looks a little small. I only have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 products in here. And it looks like 1 product has started falling out of the box, but just to give you guys an idea. Oh wait, the bag counts as 6, my bad. Here's everything that I have in here. So I don't know. I guess we'll see. Okay, so the first thing that I'm pulling out of my box is this Gigi Gorgeous, the Sick Sculpt Bronzer Duo. So I'm very happy that we got another Gigi Gorgeous product. I've never tried the brand, so I think it's really cool that we have a similar theme going, but it's not the same exact product. This is a bronzer duo, and I got a blush duo. So that is really freaking cool. I'm so happy with Ipsy. Gorgeous planning, like Boxycharm. Could Boxycharm pull off something like that? No, because they don't care about us as much as Ipsy cares about us. That's just my opinion. The next thing that I'm pulling out is this Douce Punk Volumizer Mascara. I love that the word punk is in this title, like the title of the product. Like, okay, what makes it punk? Ooh. Okay, the packaging is okay. Like, I mean, this little angle is fun, but this kind of just gives me like Maybelline or L'Oreal mascara vibes. And here's the applicator. Okay, maybe it'll work wonders. I'm always down to try a new mascara. Every time I hear somebody say, yes, it gives me the lash, you know, the false lash effect, I expect it to make my eyes look like this. It never does. So I'm always looking to try new mascara products in hopes that I find something that does this to my eyes. The next thing that I'm pulling out is this Ciate Dewy Stick. Oh, Ipsy, yes, girl. Did you really just send me a highlighter? Did you really hear me complaining about highlighters again? And then you were like, boom, guess what we're sending you? Okay, so I love Ciate London. I've used their glowing sticks before, and yes, it looks greasy on the back of my hand because it does have a very, like, I don't know, I think it's really greasy feeling. But I really love putting this underneath when my skin was really dry, underneath of my foundation or underneath my highlighter, and then putting like a colored highlighter on top to set this. It really helped add just a little bit of extra glow to my skin. Okay, let's see what is in this. This is an Illuminasca Hydra Veil. Okay, it's a hydrating gel. It does look dirty, like the outside of the box. I mean, the fingerprints, okay, whatever. I'm sure that there's a lot of people handling this, but the inside of it too, I don't know if you guys can see because of my ring light. Maybe if I turn this down. But do you see all like the dirt on top of it? And it's not like this box has like filler in it for that to happen. So not really sure. But let's see what's inside of this. Oh my goodness. Okay. Oh, look at that. It's a little hinge. It's a little escape hatch for your moisturizer. Oh my God. Holy crap. I wasn't kidding. Hold up. I have no idea what this product is. And it literally is a little escape hatch, like for a submarine or something. Okay, and then, holy crap, they weren't kidding when they said a Hydra Veil. Do you see this bowl of Jello in there? It literally looks like water. It's jelly! Ooh, can we see? Jiggle, 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 jiggle. Okay, that was so fun. I'm so excited to use that. Okay, and the last product that I received in my Ipsy Glam Bag Plus is this lipstick. I have no idea how to pronounce the name of this company. Like, I really need to work on my pronunciation skills because I'm always afraid I'm gonna butcher it. So I'm like, I mean, what the heck? People are gonna roast me anyway. So let's try it. Autar Cream Belle in Argent. That's my attempt at the pronunciation. But this is a lipstick in shade Smoking on Screen. Oh, look how beautiful this is. Okay. Oh, look, a dark vampy color. Yes, red. I'm so excited to do some vampy looks. I'm like so obsessed with color. Like, I switch it up. Like, everyone's like, oh yes, it's dark and vampy seeds. And I'm like, oh no, it's time for brights. And then everyone's like, oh, it's time for brights. And I'm like, I just want to, you know, dress in dark colors. Okay, and then the last bag we have here today is the Ipsy Glam Bag. Ipsy Glam Bag is $12 a month. In it, you get sample size products, unlike the other two subscriptions where you get full size. So here's the Ipsy bag for this month. Okay, I love, like, even these two, there's a huge sizing difference. So I love that we have a theme that travels through all three boxes, but so far I have not received any duplicate products, but there's a theme that travels through. I'm so excited about that. Okay, let's see what I got in my bag. I'm so excited. I'm just gonna pull everything out. I'm not gonna look because it just makes it easier so I don't have to like rummage through. Oh, I got a brush. I said I wasn't gonna look and I lied. So, okay, so that's everything. I got 5 products in my Ipsy Glam Bag. So the first thing that I'm pulling out is from Delectable. I love their lotions so much, like the birthday cake one. It's my favorite. This is a Butter Balm Hand Cream Triple Citrus Blend. If you have been here for a while, you know your girl is a lover of citrus. I want to walk around smelling like cleaning agent. Like, I want to smell like orange. I want to smell like lemon. Like, it's just, I don't know. I love those scents. I love those scents. I love vanilla, but I don't like floral perfumes, and this smells so good. Oh my God, it smells so good. I'm so excited about this. Yes, okay. So the next thing I got is a brush. Ooh. So this is from the same brand, Bean. I don't know how to say the last name, but this is an eye shader. So in the Ultimate, I received a concealer brush, and then here I got an eye shader. Cool that we got this repeat of the same brand, but not the same product. The next thing that I'm pulling out is from Dome Beauty Cheek Envy. Okay, is this a I hope it's a highlighter, but it says English Rose, and that sounds always to me like a blush shade, which cool because it's been a while. Again, like I haven't seen blushes in a while. Is that a product that just a lot of people wear in the fall? Like I really don't know. So it is a blush. It's very, very pretty, like perfect for my skin. It reminds me of the blush shade from e.l.f. I think it's called like Dusty Rose or Dusty Mauve or something like that. Absolutely beautiful. One of my favorite blush shades to wear, and I love the shade of this. The next thing that I'm pulling out is from MAC. This is a cleanse off oil. I've never, why you can't read it, but I promise you it says MAC right there, even though it's clear. Can you see the MAC? Oop, MAC cleanse oil. This is such a small little amount, but at least like maybe hopefully you can get 2 uses out of it to tell if you like it or not. But I think it's really cool they've got a MAC product. Like, that's so exciting. And the last thing that I received is from Pixi by Petra. And this looks, it says a mineral bronze, but to me this just looks like an eyeshadow duo. Guys, I got myself together for this month. I have my scissors here. I have my table right next to me. We are ready to sit down and unbox all of these boxes. I have a huge accumulation of boxes sitting right next to me. It's really, really crazy. So let's see what this looks like if I can get it open. Well, I can't get it open, but this is what it looks like. So that is everything that I got in my Ipsy versus Ipsy. I had the Ipsy Ultimate, the Ipsy Glam Bag, and just the regular Ipsy bag. I am so freaking happy with these boxes. I love the amount of effort that I really feel like Ipsy is putting into these. I feel like I'm getting a similar theme in each bag, so I don't feel like I'm missing out for the price point that I'm spending. But as somebody who has and is blessed enough to have all 3 boxes, I got a huge freaking selection of makeup with no repeats. I don't mind that I got like repeats of brands, because if it's a really nice brand, then I have like 2 or 3 products to play around from them. So I think it's really, really amazing. So that is everything that I got in all 3 of my Ipsy bags. What did you guys think? What was your favorite box? Please let me know in the comment section down below. I love you all so much, and I will see you in my next video.